I welcome you to this grounding meditation, a moment just for you, a space to come back into your body, into the present moment, and gently re-energize with calmness and clarity. Find a comfortable place where you can sit or stand with ease. Let your eyes soften or close them gently if that feels safe. Now, begin by noticing your feet. Feel them resting on the ground, the pressure, the support. Maybe even press them down slightly. Let the earth remind you you're here, you're held. Take a deep breath in through your nose and feel the coolness. Exhale slowly through your mouth and feel the warmth. Now place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Feel the gentle rise and fall. Notice how your body moves with each breath, alive, steady, real. Wiggle your fingers. Feel the air brushing your skin. Gently roll your shoulders back and forward. Let any stuckness soften, even just a little. Now tune into the sounds around you. One, then another. You don't need to name them or judge them. Just notice. Take one last deep breath in and exhale completely. Just be aware of your breath and of your body. Now gently open your eyes and notice one color, one shape, and one texture around you. You are now grounded. You are here. You are safe. Return to this practice whenever you need to reset. Namaste.